Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today we'll see another interview question from Amazon. In Amazon data engineering interview question, what kind of question they used to ask. We'll see whatever question we'll see that question they have asked in SQL interview, but we'll solve it in PySpark also. After seeing the solution in PySpark, we'll do the SQL solution. Okay, most of the code I have written here for saving our time. Okay, I'll go through and few changes I will do. Okay, and without wasting the time, without skipping the video, just see it and without wasting time, let's go to our notebook. But before going to that, this is our interview. This is our channel where we used to upload interview-related question and database and in database and PySpark series. Also, we have uploaded. If you are new in data engineering, you want to learn PySpark, you can go through our this playlist. You can go through our playlist, PySpark database playlist, and you can also go through our unit testing series by how to do unit testing in PySpark codes, scenario based interview question, real time scenarios, what kind of real time scenarios we used to face in our daily activities. That thing also you can see. Okay, these all are the high level thing, but if you wanna go basic to advanced, then you need to follow this PySpark database series. Okay, all the link has been given in the video comment section. If you want to connect with me, you can connect through TopMate, LinkedIn without paying anything. You can connect with me. Okay, so let's go to our video. So in this video, what they ask. So write a query that will identify returning active user. But what is the main challenge? A returning active user is the user that has made a second purchase within 7 days of any other of their purchase. Output a list of user ID. So of this returning active user. Okay. तो आउटपुट क्या चाहिए? आउटपुट चाहिए यूजर आईडीज का, ओनली यूजर आईडी कॉलम का. और रिटर्निंग एक्टिव यूजर कैसे होगा? रिटर्निंग एक्टिव यूजर होगा कि विद इन 7 डेज में अगर 2 परचेस हुआ, देन इट्स ए रिटर्निंग एक्टिव यूजर. मतलब फर्स्ट परचेस के विद इन 7 डेज में कोई दूसरा परचेस होना चाहिए, और सेकेंड परचेस के विद इन 7 डेज में थर्ड परचेस होना चाहिए. देन ओनली it is considered as a active user. Okay, so second purchase within 7 days. I think you can understand this thing. So let's go through the solution and you will get to understand. Okay, so first what they have given us, this data. Okay, so after giving this data, first what we need to do. So you can see created date. Our main column is created at. So this item has been sold by the seller, and the user bought it on this date, and cost is this. Okay, so first what we need to do for our transaction on created date, we need to convert it to date column. Okay, date format. Okay, for formatting it to date format, we have already imported toDate and call. So as we already discussed that we'll do the solution on SQL also. So that's why I have created one temp view. So this temp view will not use in this PySpark solution, we will use in SQL solution. Okay, so we can't apply SQL directly on the data frame. So that's why we have created one temp view. Okay, so don't need to think about this for now. So first, how we are converting it to date format using toDate. So toDate function, we are converting the created date. It is in string format now. You can, it is in string format now. So first we will convert it to date format. Okay, so today, how to use today, that I have already explained in my PySpark database notebook, so you can go through that. Okay, I'll give the link on the I button. Okay, so after that, I'm giving one new name for this column, created date, and I'm dropping the older column, the created act. Okay, so if I'll run it, so what I'll get, let's see. So why it is giving me error, let's see. Created act can't be resolved. Did you mean one of the following? So I have already done this transaction. Let me do one thing. I'm running it once again. Once again I'm running it. So now I'm getting it. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, so now I'm getting the date as a date format. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to see that the first order or the second order, first order and the second order, the date difference is less than equals to 7. Okay, or any two of the order for a single user, the date difference should be less than equals to 7. So for that, what we need to do, we need to create one window for each and every user. So 100 user, 101 user, 114 user, we need to create window, and we need to segregate the created date based on the ascending order. Okay, so what we'll use, we'll use window function here, and it will use lag. Why I am using, I'll tell you. So lag is the function which will show you the value, offset value of the current value. Okay, any of the columns offset value of the current value, that it will show you lag function. So what it is doing, I'm telling you. The first window I'm creating. So window, I think you guys know, if you have gone through my PySpark database playlist window function related video. If you have not gone through, please go through the video first and come back to here. You will get to understand how to use the window function. So lag is also a function of window. Okay, so window package. So all the functions what I will use here I have imported. Okay, so now if I will run it, the first time I'm running it, and I'm trying to explain it. Okay, so I'm partitioning based on the user ID, and ordering the data based on the created date, as I told you. And after that, I'm creating one new column which is last created date using the lag function. In lag function, I'm using created date. Okay, so over window here. Okay, whatever window we have created, we are using the lag function there, and getting the data. Okay, so how the lag function giving the data? So last created date, so created date here, and so for this is the first created date. Okay, so there is last created date is null, but for this there is a last created date for this function, for this user ID. So I'm getting the last created date. So this also 14 is the last created date. Okay, after that there is a new window for new user ID. So this is the null, there is nothing. for this user ID, and for this for 27 there is a 626. Okay, that in this way I'm getting the data. And for the date difference, I am using a dated diff. Okay, dated diff function. So I'm getting the date difference. I'm just using this dated diff function on this two column and getting the date difference. So now it's a simple thing. If the date where the date difference is less than equals to 7, that will be my answer. So if I'll select it like that, so final df equals to uh, win df dot select user id, then uh, mm, so what will be the filter? So date diff less than equals to 7. Okay, now I'm getting. So for user ID 100, there is no date difference less than equals to 7. So that's why user ID 100 is not taken. But on 101 and 114, the date difference is less than equals to 7. So it is considered. Okay. So this is the thing. So the same way when you will use the SQL code already written here. So first we'll use we'll create one CT common table expression based on the lag function. Okay, and after that once again we'll create common table expression 2 based on the previous city from the previous city, and here for the first city I'll use the my view, temporary view. Okay, so here also the partition by user ID and order by created date, and the new column name is last created date. Okay, after that the same thing I'm doing here, the date difference, created date and last date from the CT common table expression, the first which we have already created, the virtual table you can say. If you don't know common table expression in SQL, please read it from the SQL document, or you can connect with us. We'll try to understand. We'll try to explain you. Okay, and in our channel also we will come with some advanced level SQL videos where we will explain it there. Okay, so don't need to worry. And after that the basic filter we have used it. Okay, so if I'll run it, so this is the thing. If you don't know SQL, please go through the SQL document, or you can stay with us because very recent, very much near the upcoming days, we'll try to upload our SQL series. Okay, there will explain about the CTE at the advanced level operations in SQL. Okay, so stay tuned with us, and please subscribe our YouTube channel, and stay with us, and share our channel with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so that they also get the benefit of this video. Okay, so and if you have any kinds of doubt, you can connect with me via LinkedIn or TalkMate. Okay, there is no charge to connect with me. Okay, everything is free of cost. Okay, you can also join our Telegram channel for participating in daily basis quiz and updates. Okay, and you can also connect with me Instagram for any query related to PySpark or data engineering. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and stay with us.